Hello and welcome to this tutorial. So in this video I'm going to explain about how we can write for loop in stored procedure. So we may have learned how to write stored procedure, but now in this video I will explain with an example how we can write a small for loop, so in order to achieve the iteration process in our programming, because we use for loop for any kinds of iteration that we need multiple lookup. So in this video I will be showing you very small examples so that you can easily understand now how we can write the for loop. So before starting this, I will show you the syntax, how we write the syntax for loop. So first we have to write example with for, then we have to give a variable like this is my looping variable, then in the format like in, then starting with 1, and then you have to give any count, whatever count you want to give. Suppose you want to make it to 10 till 10, then you have to give do. Then here you have to write all the points you have, like the logic. Here you write the logic, and that ends, and after that you will do end for. So this is a small part in the for loop what you need to follow in order to write in the stored procedure. So now I will explain with the example how we can write the for loop. So I will remove this as of now. I will show you a small summation, how we can do a sum in the for loop. So let me write the code. So before writing the for loop, first I want to declare some variable. Suppose I'm declaring I, this is integer, and suppose I am declaring two more variable like a and b, a, and this is also integer. Suppose I am giving a default value as 10 and declare b as integer. So in this way you can define this, and so now I will so the value for a is by default 10. Suppose I am giving the value for a equal to 3. So now what I'm going to use for loop for I in, suppose I want to do till 5 iteration, and then and for, and suppose I want to write a small and very simple logic for a plus 1. So what I have done, I have just we have to start with 1, because we have to start from the first iteration till 5 iteration, and here we have taken the value for a is 3, and we are just adding by 1 like that. So now we have to print the value, we want to see the value, right? So for that we need to store the value for a into another variable. So we cannot just simply print the value for a. So for that, select this one, into b from dummy, and then we can do another select just to read the data from b. Select b as total from dummy. So by this way we can actually see the data. So let me just test it whether it works or not. Yes, it works. So total is 8. So we can change the value from a plus 2 to a plus 2. That's 13. So in this way you can easily uh, do the work. And for sometimes we have to use these colon here as well, because we are actually, this is a kind of a syntax in the stored procedure, that we have to give the solid semicolon. When you are giving the value into any variable, then you have to assign this colon, and when you are reading from a variable, then you have to colon in the before. So in this way you can write a small for loop, and here we can utilize, so you can suppose read the store procedure also. Let me give you another example here. Suppose just remove these two lines. Let me remove these two lines. Suppose you want to call a store procedure in your for loop. How can I do that? Suppose you have a store procedure and you want to call it in the for loop. So suppose you can directly write call and your procedure name, and you can read the value for a. So what I have done, it is kind of little complex. In the earlier example I have shown you how to write a very simple for loop where we have done iteration from 1 to 5, right? And now what we have done, we have just we are calling another procedure in this procedure. So in this way you can write a small for loop. So in my next video I will be showing about the while, do, and while uh, in this store procedure, how you can write do, while. So thanks for watching this video, and please stay tuned with my other videos. Thanks for watching.